Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Co, where we tell you regarding the shipping information and the maritime business and the news regarding it in day-to-day business. Today we will talk regarding the how the private companies are dealing with the charter of ships nowadays due to disruption in supply chain and shortage of container in this holiday season and in the coming year. The main and the big retailers are nowadays chartering their own ship to deliver their hundreds of containers in the major parts of United States of America. Supply chain disruption, the shortage of the containers with mainliners and the port storage problems are the main reason to make these companies to do these activities. Exporter and importers are finding attention alternative options to maintain their flow of goods. Now many companies like Wal-Mart, IKEA, Costco and Amazon are privately chartering the ships to deliver this merchandise. And, Port of Houston is such an port with full of this type of activities, and nowadays due to unavailability of the space with main container line and port shortage problem, this situation is occurring, and the company and the big retailers also tells that this should be continue in the coming next year, so to maintain their flow of goods if the same problem get uh, continues in the coming year and the holiday season. So I hope you like this little bit information regarding to the supply chain, container business and export impact. Thank you for listening me. If you have any corrections, do comment to me in the video. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.